In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge a section with the one above in Google Forms. If you've ever organized a form into multiple sections and later realized two of them really belong together, merging is the quickest way to simplify your layout and reduce extra pages for respondents. This is especially helpful when you want to streamline the flow, remove an unnecessary page break, or consolidate related questions under one heading. Start by opening your Google form in edit mode. You can access it from your Google Drive or at forms.google.com. Make sure you have editing permissions on the form, and keep in mind that Google Forms saves changes automatically, so anything you do here updates right away. Next, scroll to the specific section you want to merge. In Google Forms, sections are those blocks that create separate pages for respondents. You'll see a section title and, below it, any questions that belong to that page. Confirm that you're on the section you want to merge into the one directly above it. The feature only merges upward, so choosing the correct section here matters. Look at the section's header area and find the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of that section. This is the section's own options menu, which is different from the main form settings in the top right of the entire screen. If you don't see it immediately, hover near the section title to reveal the controls. Before you click, a quick tip. If the section's title or description contains important information you still want visible after the merge, plan where that text will live in the combined section. You might paste it into the remaining section's description or add it to the first question's help text after the merge. Merging removes the page break and moves the questions up, but the old section header itself won't remain as a separate page. Now click the three-dot menu on the section you're merging and choose Merge with Above. Instantly, that section's questions will be combined into the section right above it, and the extra page break disappears. Any branching or go-to-section based on answer logic that depended on the removed section may need review, since your form now has fewer pages. If something doesn't look right, you can use Undo to revert the change. That's it. You've merged the section, streamlined your form, and made the respondent experience smoother. Use this approach whenever you're consolidating content, cleaning up structure, or preparing a shorter, more direct form flow.